Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to start chapter 9.3 future tense of your English grammar. Children, the future tense is the period that is yet to come. Okay, that has not come. Okay, that is yet to come. Now let's come to the chapter. First of all, we will know about kinds of future tense. Kinds of future tense. Children, like the present and past tenses, the future tense has also four kinds. How many kinds? Four kinds. Okay, first one is simple or indefinite, second is continuous, third one is perfect, and last one is perfect continuous. So now first of all we will know about simple future or future indefinite. Okay children, simple future tense, as the name of this tense shows, the actions done in it will not show any definite time, okay, for them in the future period of time. For example, I shall go. In future indefinite, we use shall and will. We use shall and will. With I and we, children, with I and we use shall. Okay, and the first form of the verb. And with all other subjects, we use will and the first form of the verb. You can see here, I shall go for morning walk with you. We shall go voting in the canal. And the third is, he will work hard for the coming test. Fourth is, she will cook food for all of us. And fifth is, you will certainly pass the test. They will go to see the Taj Mahal. It will rain at night, I think. And the eighth is, the boy will win the prize. In the above sentence, will or shall plus base form means first form of the verb has been used. Okay children, in simple future or future indefinite, we use will or shall and the first form of the verb. Will is used with all other subjects besides I and we. With I and we use shall. Okay, now we will know about formation of simple future tense. Children, this is the formation of simple future tense. First one, affirmative form. The affirmative form will be like that. First of all, subject, then will or shall, then first form, then object. Like this, I shall solve the problems soon. He will solve the problems, all problems soon. Okay, but in negative form, not is placed between shall or will and the first form of the verb. Like this, I shall not solve. He will not solve. Okay children, and in the question form, first of all we will have to place shall or will. Okay, like that, shall, then subject, then first form of the verb, then object. You can see here, like, shall I solve the problem soon? Will he solve all problems soon? Now let's go to future continuous tense. Okay children, as the name of this tense shows, future continuous tense is used when it looks sure that something will continue to be done in the time to come, because circumstances show that or arrangements have been made for that. Okay children, in future continuous tense, the formation will be like that. I shall be doing. For example, you can say here, I shall be doing. We use shall be and will be. Okay, shall be is used with I and we, and will be is used with all other subjects besides I and we. Okay, like that, I shall be doing, and the ing form of the verb is used also. Okay, like, for examples, I shall be doing my homework at 4 p.m. We shall be working all day on Sunday. He will be resting at noon in my room. She will be cooking food for us at sunset. You will be going to see him at 6 p.m. They will be watching the match at 3 p.m. The birds will be flying to their nests after sunset. In the above sentences, will be or shall be plus ing form of the verb has been used. Okay, now we will know about the formation of future continuous tense. Children, you can understand the formation of future continuous tense from this table. Okay, first of all, affirmative form. Affirmative form will be like that: subject will be or shall be, and then ing form, then object. Okay, you can see the example here. I shall be returning next month. He will be returning next month. And the negative form will be like that: not will be placed between shall and we, will and we. Okay, for example, I shall not be, he will not be. Okay, I shall not be returning next month, he will not be returning next month. Okay, not is shifted between shall and we, will and we. Okay, the question form of future continuous tense will be like that. You can say example here first. Okay, shall I be returning next month? It means first of all we will have to put shall or will, then subject, then we, then ing form, then object. Now we will know about future perfect tense. Children, future perfect tense, as the name of this tense shows, future perfect tense is used when an action that has not been completed so far but will be completed in future. Okay, before or by a certain time. For example, I shall have finished my homework, we shall have completed our job by nightfall, and he will have rested for an hour. After reading this sentence, we can understand that in future perfect tense, shall have and will have are used, and the third form of the verb also used. Okay, in future perfect tense. With I and we use shall have, and all other subjects, with all other subjects we use will have, and the third form of the verb is also used. Okay children, in these sentences will have and shall have plus third form of the verb has been used after the subject. Okay children, you can read the examples of future perfect tense yourself. Now children, we will know about formation of future perfect tense. First is affirmative form. Children, affirmative form of future perfect tense will be like that: I shall have done my homework by 4 p.m. He will have left for Agra by Monday. Okay, and negative form will be I shall not have done, he will not have done. Okay, not is placed, okay, not is inserted after shall or will. And in question form, children, you can read the example here: shall I have done my homework by 4 p.m. First of all, shall or will is placed before the subject. Okay, in question form, this is very important, that in the question form shall or will is placed before the subject. Now we will know about future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense, as the name of this tense shows, the future perfect continuous tense states an action that is expected to continue in future at a particular time for a certain period, as I shall have been sleeping since 8 a.m. Children, like past perfect continuous or present perfect continuous, here there will be point of time and period of time. With point of time, since is used, and period of time, with period of time, for is used. Okay, and in future perfect continuous tense, shall have been and will have been, and the ing form of the verb has been used after the subject. You can see in the examples. Okay, I shall have been sleeping since 8 a.m. She will have been cooking food for an hour. Okay, we shall have been playing since 5 p.m. this. And the fourth one is the laborers will have been working for 3 hours. This is the period of time. Okay, 3 hours is the period of time, and 8 a.m. 5 p.m. is a point of time. Children, point of, I have already told you that the point of time is the definite time. Okay, and the period of time is indefinite time. In the above examples, we see that will have been and shall have been plus ing form of the verb has been used after the subject. Now we will know about formation of the future perfect continuous tense. Now from this table, you can understand the formation of future continuous tense. First one is affirmative form. For affirmative form, you can read this example. I shall have been working for 3 days. Here children, with I, shall have been is used, okay, and it will have been raining since morning. For negative form, I shall not have been, okay, not is inserted after shall or will. And the question form, in the question form, shall or will is placed in the beginning of the each sentence children, okay. You can read this example. Shall I have been working? Will it have been raining since morning?